Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my entire Korean eyeshadow collection. I got this inspiration from my friend Judy when I saw her video of her entire eyeshadow collection, which I thought was actually pretty epic. So I thought, why not take out my collection and see what I've got. I've put them in alphabetical order, so without further ado, let's get started. The first one would be this 3CE Mini Multi-Eye Color in Almond Fudge. You can still actually get this, but this is the Mickey Mouse collection, which I absolutely love, and it's like a yellow brownie shade. Next one is this Multi-Eye Color Palette Buttercream, and it consists of 9 color, which is like beautiful warm shadows, 4 matte, 2 shimmer, very buttery, very smooth. Then you have this Mini Multi-Eye closing out, which is much more of a dry rose reddish brown. This one is like a matte eye color, again Mickey Mouse collection. Didn't really use much of it because the colors are a bit too light for me. This one though, the Overtake palette, love all the subtle pinkish brown to it. It's such a beautiful matte shimmery shade. I absolutely love it. This one is my absolutely favorite. This is the Plot Twist. It's probably my most used palette because of all the brown shades. It's just really beautiful and it's so versatile. This one is the Shot Again, which I didn't really use much because of all the glittery shades, but again it's very beautiful if you do like glitter eyeshadows. This one is again another Mickey Mouse palette side by side, and it consists more of pinkish mauvey color, and the last one is such a beautiful shade. Then I have this one, it's called Some Death, and I did like a cool versus warm tone makeup with this. This is more of a cool tone shade, consists of lavender pink brown shades. Now on to another brand. This is Amuse, which is my only one. It's a vegan sheer palette, and again like the name is very sheer, but again it's actually quite pigmented. This one I absolutely love. It's like reminds me of the 3CE. This is from BLACKROUGE, and this is CH01, which is much more of a dark brown. I also have one in like a pinkish brown, which I also absolutely love, but I do love both of them, and they're so mini, so small, easy to travel with, but again the colors are so super smooth and super pigmented. This ones I think they already like they don't have this anymore, but I absolutely love this collection. This is from CLIO and the Rusted Rose palette. Absolutely gorgeous shade. Same with this one, Simply Pink. You can see both are very similar, but Simply Pink is much more lighter compared to Rusted Rose. I definitely prefer Rusted Rose, to be honest. This one, Dasique, I actually do want to get more Dasique palette because of this palette, because of all the beautiful pastel pink. Love it so much. Love this collection. I'm so lucky to actually got this from Etude House. This is the Kisses collection in Almond Chocolate, much more lighter color, and I actually prefer the other one, which I'll show you soon. This one is the Play Color Eyes Autumn Closet, probably my least favorite palette just because of the lighter shades. It's probably too light and too cool for me. It's a little bit dull. However, this one though, Bake House, I love all the light brown tone shade. Reminds me of like all those bakery goods, you know. Now this one, Caffeineholic, is probably my favorite Play Color Eye palette from Etude House because of all the beautiful brown shades, but also this like the most buttery, smoothest palette I've tried from Etude House. This one, Cherry Blossom, honestly I just bought it because it's Sakura and I love Sakura, but I don't really use much of it. Then this one, Chili Moon, I wish they still have this one because I honestly love this for like the winter because it gives you like all this like warm vibe shades, you know. Now this one though, Hershey's Milk Chocolate, love the colors too. It's like the right brown shades, and it consists of 6 colors, and it's actually good enough, to be honest. Now this one in the Cafe is probably the least pigmented eyeshadow palette from the Play Color Eye collection, and it's just so dull and it's so sheer. It's not that great. Now this one is the Kit Kat collection, and it has like really nice brown colors, gold shimmer, red tone, just like the red packaging, which I thought was really unique. Now this one has some sentimental value to it, to be honest, and it's because I was inspired to get this because of my wedding, because it was like a lavender themed wedding. Now this one is the Etude House Leather Shop, which I absolutely love, and it's great for autumn, and I did feature this in my latest video. Love the colors so much. This one, Maple Road, reminds me a lot of the Chili Moon, but this one is slightly lighter tones, which is very beautiful, and it has like really nice shimmer shades too. Another Kisses collection, and this one is the milk chocolate version, which I feel like I tend to lean towards more, and this one has beautiful gold shimmer and light beige shimmer as well. Now I love this collection so much, and I got rid of the mini one, but this is the 9 colors and has beautiful muted mauve colors inside. Now this one is the Etude House Local collaboration. This is the, I can never say this one, but again, this one is like beautiful brown rose gold shimmery shades. Peach Farm, I love this one so much. Beautiful apricot peachy coral pink shades, great for spring weather. Now this one is the raspberry yogurt, is a muted pink shade, which is really nice but also really light tone, gives you very like sweet colors, but the first one I feel like is too light for me. I love this one so much, and this one reminds me of the Huda Beauty, and I think I did like a comparison because it's like the exact dupe. Unfortunately you can't get this anymore. Rose Wine is so beautiful, like it's like a lot of like rosy shades, but also have like dark brown shade which you can use to blend out, but I love all the shimmering and glitter inside here. Now another Kisses collection, this is the Special Dark, and this is more of a neutral brown semi-smoky neutral gold shimmery eyeshadow. Now this one is Tulip Day. Again, it's more like spring look type, and to be honest I prefer my Peach Farm more than this just because of the colors. Next one, this is another Locker collection. This is the vanilla one. I feel like out of all the colors, this one is probably too light for me, but the colors are still nice, but just yeah, I don't tend to go towards it. Absolutely love this one, and honestly if they didn't release the Caffeine Holic, which I absolutely love, I would actually prefer this one because it's very similar. Then we're gonna go to Unleasha. This is my only Unleasha palette, and this is all brown and it consists a lot of glitter but not much matte color, so I don't tend to lean towards it. This one though, Innisfree Fake Mood palette, oh my god, it makes me fall in love with the Innisfree palette again, because I remember they didn't have really good eyeshadows, but this makes me want to try more, and that's why I got this Glare Mood, and I love it so much because it's such a smooth palette, and I don't know why I don't use it often, especially with that big ass mirror, you know. This one is also beautiful, the Jeju Color Picker collection. However, some of the colors are a little bit too light, but I found that middle pink color is so unique, so beautiful. This one is the Juicy Orange collection. Such an eye popper packaging, don't you think? Like it's so orangey, but you can see because of the orange tone eyeshadow collection. This, oh my god, I love this collection so much because it has so many eye colors, shadows, you know, like, but I wish that they actually have this permanently. Now onto Lineage, and I love this collection because you have like the perfect 6 shadow colors, and as well as a blusher and a highlighter. Lily by Raid, I like this one, but so far I'm really impressed with the pigmentation, but I'm not sure about the peachy shade in the middle. Now this one, McQueen, again I love the McQueen brand and starting to like collect more McQueen collection, but this eyeshadow palettes are actually very beautiful, and the eyeshadow is actually quite small to be honest. Now this one, Peach Sea, this is the Falling In eyeshadow. It has 4 colors, beautiful pink tone colors and a brown as well, but not dark enough to create like a contrast shade. Love this Patty Peta one, especially that gold foil. Like honestly, it's so pigmented, it's so beautiful guys. Love this palette so much, and I keep telling myself I need to buy more Roman palette because of this palette, but didn't end up. But again, this one have beautiful brown colors and is so versatile. Valley, this one was a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth the money to be honest because of all the brown shades, and I love the dark brown tone to this one. Last one is this W Lab, and this one is a beautiful rose gold eyeshadow and a lot of brown, but I love that rose gold the most. So that's my entire Korean eyeshadow collection. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any of this eyeshadow in your collection and whether you guys like it or not. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!